City commutes don't usually mean long-distance rides. They're mostly short trips with plenty of stops. So, battery range isn't the main priority here. Instead, what really matters are things like easy control, strong brakes, and features that keep you safe and comfortable while dealing with traffic. Today, we've put together 10 commuter e-bikes that may not go the longest distances, but have all the essentials to make your urban ride hassle-free and enjoyable. So, let's dive in and check them out. Starting this list with the Radio Flyer Loop because this feels like one of the more approachable cargo e-bikes right now for families and everyday riders. A lot of cargo bikes become huge very quickly, but this one keeps a more compact overall size while still carrying up to 440 pounds total with a 220-pound rear rack capacity. So you can realistically use this for kids, groceries, backpacks, or daily errands without the bike constantly feeling oversized. And that smaller frame also helps while parking, turning around tighter streets, or storing it at home. Feature-wise, you're getting a 750-watt rear hub motor paired with torque-sensing pedal assist, which makes the power delivery feel smoother and more natural than cheaper cadence systems. Then you also get Magura hydraulic brakes with 4-piston calipers and massive 203mm rotors, which honestly stand out at this price because stronger braking matters a lot on a heavier cargo bike. The bike also comes with integrated front and rear lights, built-in rear turn signals, suspension fork, foldable stem, weatherproof storage compartment, and removable battery with hidden AirTag storage underneath. And if you want more flexibility, Radio Flyer also offers accessories like the Cubby Kit, Cubby Caboodle, and XL Front Goodie Basket to turn the Loop into more of a family or grocery hauling setup. Some days you just want a ride that feels easy even when the roads don't help. The City Robin X Plus brings that relief with a smooth 500-watt motor that supports you up to 28 miles per hour, so those longer commutes feel lighter. It assists and reacts naturally to your pedaling, keeping the ride steady instead of jumpy. And the throttle is there whenever you want a quick boost. With a range that can stretch up to 60 miles, you won't worry about charging during the day. What really stands out is how gentle it feels on your body. The upright position eases pressure on your back and wrists, while the front suspension and suspension seat post soften rough pavement you'd normally brace for. It's the kind of comfort that makes daily rides feel less draining. Hydraulic brakes, durable tires, and certified safety testing add confidence, and the simple display lets you see everything you need without overthinking it. The City Robin X Plus is built to make everyday riding smoother, calmer, and easier to enjoy. Some commutes feel heavier than they should, and that's where the Carbon one makes a real difference. This bike fixes the simple pain of dragging a bulky e-bike around. The Carbon frame is incredibly light, almost half the weight of many commuter models, so carrying it upstairs or loading it on a rack doesn't drain your energy before the ride even starts. Once you're rolling, the Carbon build adds a steady, responsive feel that makes city weaving smoother and more controlled. The torque sensor gives you power that reacts to your pedaling instead of forcing it, and the Shimano 8-speed setup helps on hills without feeling stiff. Wide tires let you explore gravel and rough paths when you want to break from asphalt. What makes it stand out is the smart tech: fingerprint unlock, GPS tracking, onboard navigation, and even a small speaker for music. It's practical security, simple access, and a lighter ride, all in one sleek package. Carrying too much on a bike shouldn't feel like a workout before the ride even starts. The Abound LR solves that problem with a strong 750-watt motor and a long rear rack that can handle big grocery runs, kids, or weekend gear without stressing you out. The frame is built to stay steady under weight, and the suspension parts help smooth out bumps so the load doesn't toss you around. It's a cargo bike that still feels calm and predictable on daily routes. What makes it easier to live with are the small details. Cruise control keeps your speed steady on longer stretches, And sensor switch lets you pick between torque or cadence assist depending on how you want the bike to respond. Boost mode gives an extra push on steep hills or when you're hauling something heavy. Safety and convenience get thoughtful touches too. An integrated kickstand lock for stable loading, a keyless battery system, optional password protection, and ACU tracking so you always know where your bike is. The Abound LR is built to carry more without turning every trip into a struggle. Storing a bike shouldn't feel like rearranging your whole room just to make space. That's why the Fold 1 Plus hits differently. It shrinks down fast, stays solid on the road, and actually feels like a full-size ride instead of a compromise. The folding frame locks together with a sturdy, confident feel, so you're not dealing with wobble or flex when you're cruising through the city or packing it into an RV. The 750-watt motor gives plenty of push, and the 1,100-watt peak helps on hills without forcing you to work harder than you want to. With sensor swap, you can switch between torque or cadence mode depending on the mood, responsive and engaged for climbs, or easy cruising when you just want to relax. Comfort is a big win here too, with an adjustable fit that suits different riders and keeps longer rides from wearing you out. Safety stays front and center with hydraulic brakes, bright lighting, waterproof protection, and UL certified electronics. The Fold 1 Plus is compact, capable, and ready for everyday life. Looking for a ride that feels easy from the moment you start pedaling? The Sol X brings that feeling with smooth electronic shifting that changes gears at the tap of a button. And if you don't want to think about shifting at all, the automatic mode handles it quietly in the background so you can focus on the road. With a strong 400-pound payload, it's built to carry more without slowing down, whether that's groceries, work gear, or weekend essentials. The pedal assist modes keep things simple: Eco for light support, Tour for daily cruising, Turbo for tougher hills, and Auto when you want the bike to adjust everything for you. It adapts to your rhythm so every ride feels natural. Comfort is a big part of the experience. Wide bars, a cushy saddle, and an upright position keep long routes from wearing you out. Safety also gets serious attention with high/low beams, turn signals, and integrated brake lights. Connect it to the Blix app for ride stats and quick tuning. Some bikes feel built for busy streets, and the CGO009 is one of them. It's light at just 19 kilos, which makes carrying it up to an apartment or into the office far less of a chore. You get a single-speed setup that keeps the ride simple, and the Gates carbon belt drive stays clean and quiet, so there's no chain grease or constant tuning. The torque sensor reacts the second you put pressure on the pedals, so slipping into traffic feels smooth instead of jerky. Its 250-watt hub motor holds a steady 25 kilometers per hour, which is plenty for weaving through the city, and the hydraulic disc brakes give you sharp, confident stops when a car pulls out. There's no suspension here, yet the 55mm tires do a good job of softening cracks, seams, and brick paths. And with GPS tracking plus motion alerts through the app, you can lock it outside your favorite coffee spot without spending the whole time glancing out the window. If quick acceleration matters to you, the Mokwheel Slate makes every ride feel more confident from the first pedal stroke. Its 860-watt peak motor gives you strong takeoff power, helping you move through traffic with ease and push up steep hills without feeling that slow, heavy drag many folding bikes struggle with. The combo of torque and cadence sensing keeps the power smooth, adjusting naturally to how you pedal so you don't deal with any sudden or jerky kicks. That balance continues with hydraulic disc brakes that give steady stopping control, even when the bike is loaded or you're heading downhill. The Slate also brings smart security with a detachable HD display that shows clear ride info and instantly cuts motor power when removed, adding simple protection when you park. And when it's time to put it away, the quick-folding aluminum frame keeps it easy to carry, store, and take wherever you need. For anyone who wants a smooth and dependable ride, the Radster Road makes daily commuting effortless. You can pedal up to 28 miles per hour, conquer hills with 100 Newton-meters of torque, and rely on passcode-protected controls to keep your bike secure when it's parked. Safety is built in with dual turn signals, a bright 200-lumen headlight, and a thermal-resistant battery, giving confidence on every ride. Comfort is a focus too, with an upright riding position that keeps your back and shoulders relaxed, while slim tires glide easily over city streets. The torque sensor provides just the right boost when you need it, making pedaling feel natural and responsive. Customization adds a personal touch. You can choose between 2 frame options for a perfect fit and adjust speed settings across Class 1, 2, and 3 modes. Simple security features like a fob lock system provide extra peace of mind. The Radster Road makes city commuting smooth, safe, and enjoyable. Steep hills stop feeling like a grind when you've got 120 Newton-meters of torque working for you. The Centauri II's mid-drive motor pushes steadily without sounding like it's straining, and the 3-speed hub shifts on its own, which means you're not reaching for levers while dodging traffic. Pair that with a Gates belt drive, and you've got a setup that's not only quiet but also almost maintenance-free. There's a small front monoshock that takes the sting out of potholes, and the wide 2.25-inch tires help with grip when you're picking up speed. Speaking of speed, it'll comfortably take you to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, which is great when you need to make up time on open stretches. The hydraulic brakes grab firmly when something unexpected happens, while integrated lights and reflective sidewalls make you stand out after dark. It skips the throttle, yet the boost button gives you that short, satisfying surge when you want to keep rolling. These are the best commuter electric bikes for daily riding. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.